How to become funny? How to make others laugh? The answer is use your sense of humor. So today's topic is how to improve your sense of humor. So before starting, you have to know first what is sense of humor. Actually, this is a special kind of sense by which we can make others laugh. This is a very important element of our personality because every high personality guy have a nice sense of humor. So today in this video we are talking about top 5 tricks to improve your sense of humor. Every tricks are connected with each other. You have to follow these tricks step by step to improve your sense of humor in a super best level. So sit down with a cup of tea and enjoy this video till the end without skipping any single tricks we are going to show you. So this is our personality development playlist video number 3. If you missed the previous 2 videos, you can check it out by clicking on the I button or link in the description below. You must watch this because these videos are so much special. We shared some unique and pro tricks there, how to become popular and how to grab anyone's attentions. So if you are new in our channel, make sure that you have hit the subscribe button and also check these previous 2 videos. Welcome back guys. So tricks number 1 is stop cracking jokes but observe the reality. It means from now you have to stop cracking traditional jokes because a high personality guy never cracks any kind of jokes. Instead, he or she relates with our life. So you should observe what's going on with our life. You should stuck with the reality and observe what's going on actually. Here you can see most of the people have a common style of expressing or answering questions. Maybe you could also be like them. Here you should change the way of your thinking. You should think most of the things in a different way. Suppose a girl are asking you, are you single? What's the normal people will reply? Yes or no? But the follower or the subscriber of who you are will reply that, yes, I was single before meeting with you because here no one was with me, but now you are with me, I feel double. After that, the girl will start laughing on you and start liking you because everyone likes a guy who has a nice sense of humor. So stop acting like a normal people, act like a subscriber of who you are. Now let's jump into our tricks number 2, and the tricks number 2 is keep a balance between your humor and insult. After passing tricks number 1, now we have a sense of making fun. But almost all the time, we detect a person or a specific thing to make fun. So if you are cracking any jokes, think before you say. You should think before saying what the guy will feel about you if you tell this to him or her. You should not hurt anybody by using your sense of humor. If you did it, some people will stuck with you for a few days, but in a long run, they will leave you. But a high personality guy never wants that. Instead, they attracts people. So keep a balance between your humor and insult. If you realize after insulting somebody, you should go forward and say that, I was just kidding bro, please don't mind. If you do that, the people will start liking you, and this is also a symbol of high personality. Now let's talk about tricks number 3, and the tricks number 3 is follow one of the best world-class comedians because they have a unique style to express. Suppose even one of the comedian both are acting in a same piece of content, but the audience will laugh much on the style of the comedian because he has a unique style of expressing his movement and his way of talking. Suppose you are Indian. As an example, you can follow Kapil Sharma or Sandeep Maheshwari. They both have a great sense of humor, and the Kapil Sharma is a great comedian. So if you wanna be a high personality guy or increase your sense of humor, you should follow them. So keep following, keep practicing, and keep supporting who you are and become the best version of yourself. So do you want more tricks? Before getting those tricks, please subscribe our channel and also give it a thumbs up. And also stuck with the video till the end. So tricks number 4 is try to do something unexpected. After passing previous 3 tricks, now you become a humorous guy. But if you wanna be more expert, you should follow tricks number 4 and tricks number 5. Suppose after passing previous 3 tricks, now everyone knows that you are a funny guy. You always crack funny moments. You don't start expecting that you will told something funny. But at that time, suddenly you should stop talking. And this is the unexpected thing to them. And this moment is more laughter than before because you did that which was unexpected to them. We have a lot of examples on how to do something unexpected. We will cover it on any other video, so subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to get notified about our next videos. Now let's talk about our last bonus tricks which will keep your personality higher forever and will make you the best humorous guy. And the tricks number 5 is give it a break and laugh on yourself. It means you should not make others laugh always. You should give it a break. Because if you are making laugh everybody for every time, they will realize about you that the guy is too much cheap. He is always available to entertain us. After that, they will don't show any interest on you. So you have to increase your demand. On this topic, we created a particular video on our channel. If you have not checked it out yet, go and check it out by clicking on the I button or link in the description below. So come back to the point. You should not be humorous all the time. You should be serious most of the time. It will highlight your high personality. So now let's talk about how to laugh on yourself, because this is the key of becoming the best humorous guy. Because it just make others laugh but don't hurt anybody. So how can we laugh on ourselves? Suppose one of your friend told you that I'm too much tense bro about our coming exam. I must be failed into subject. I'm too much worried. After that, what should you reply? You should reply there, don't worry bro, you can follow me. Have you remembered? In the previous exam, one of my friend copied all my answer sheets. After that, we both are failed in 4 subjects. So don't worry, just follow me. After that, your friend will laugh on you for sure, because here you laugh on yourself. So this is the key of laugh on yourself. We have a lot of examples on how to laugh on yourself. If you wanna get video on this topic, you can comment down below and also subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to get notified about our next videos. So this is the key to laugh on yourself. If you can apply this, you will become the best humorous guy in a very shortest of time. So that is for today's video guys. Hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below in which topic do you want videos on our next Sunday. So see you guys in the next Sunday. Till then, take care and keep watching Who You Are.